Hi guys, Autumn's here today to do my first thriftbooks.com unboxing. I got 5 books here and the total was $15. All these books were in the thrift deals, so I got them for $3 a piece. So let's get started. Okay, I'm really excited about these books. I'm just gonna pull them out and I'll show you. Okay, the first one I got is The Professional by Kelsey Cole. This is book 1 in the, I don't know what the series it's called, but I have book 2, The Master, and this was $3. 2 of my books were acceptable condition, and the other 3 were good, and I'm pretty sure this is one of the acceptable ones, but I don't know, or this could have been a good one, and it's okay. I mean, it's a little worn, but it's not horrible. Then I got Breathe by Kristen Ashley, and this is book 4 in the Colorado Mountain Men series. I've already read the first 3 books this year, and I saw this in their deals, and I was like, okay, because I got it for $3. This retails for $7, so. And this was the acceptable one of the acceptable ones, but it actually kind of looks better than the other one. The spine's a little worn out, and right here, but other than that, it looks fine. So I'm excited to continue on with the series because I really enjoyed the first 3 books. The next 3 I got are books 1, 2, and 3. I don't know the exact order. I mean, I know what 1 is, and that's Dark Lover. This is book 1 in the Black Dagger Brotherhood by J.R. Ward. And either 2 or 3, I don't know the exact order, is Lover and Lover Awakened. Both by J.R. Ward. I think this is book 2 and this is book 3. So I'm really excited to start with this series. So Dark Lover this was a good one, and I mean the spine's a little worn, but it's not horrible. Then Lover Enthralled? I don't know, sorry. Is also a good. The spine's a little worn, but other than that, it's fine. And I'm pretty sure Lover Awakened was this acceptable one, and that the spine's really it's kind of I don't know if you could see that, but it's kind of like lopsided, like it rolls in, but that's fine. And the little pages up here is bent, but I'm really excited to start this series, and if I do enjoy it, they have the next 5 books on the deal too, so I may get the next 5 books in this series if I enjoy it, because they're cheap, and if I like them, yeah. So here are the 5 books I got, and I'm really excited. Don't really know much about these books. other than this is a adult paranormal romance series, which I'm really excited. It's about vampires. Yeah, so I'm really excited to start reading this series, and a lot of people like this series. This book is, I think, about the mafia. I think, I don't know if that's 100% sure. And this is also adult romance. So there's sexy times in all these books. And then Breathe is the 4th book in the Colorado Mountain Men series, and I think this is about Faye Goodnight and Chance. Which you met Chance in Lady Luck. And I think you met Faye in Lady Luck too. So I'm really excited to start reading this book, and it's 630 pages, so this is going to take me some time, but sometimes if I really like these, they go really fast. The Professional is 452 pages, so 452. Lover Awaken is 434 pages. Okay, this one is book 2. And it's 441 pages. And Dark Lover is 393, so the shortest out of the 5 books I got. But I'm really excited to start this series, and if you guys have read these books, comment down below which one I should start with, but I'm pretty sure I'm going to start with Dark Lover. That's probably going to be one of the next books I pick up. And comment down below if you would like to see me do a review with these after I read them. I'll see you guys later. Bye.